So you guys might know I have an apartment in Barcelona, and it's lovely. It's lovely. It's 9 minutes from the beach. I've just come from the beach just now. And it's got a roof terrace, and it's got balconies and big windows in a really quiet place in Barcelona called Poblenou. Renovating it was pretty interesting, and that's putting it politely, by the way. Renovating it was pretty interesting. I definitely find there's a little bit of a difference between Spanish trades and British trades, and also the other thing to be real about is I didn't have the connections in Spain as I do in Britain, so I probably met a few more duds than maybe I would have done in Britain. But the funniest one was we had a small team of guys come in who were supposed to do the electrics. Well, they're supposed to do the whole job. At a certain period of time, I was like, guys, this isn't happening. You know, you ain't delivering. But and one of those moments where you realise that this is just not going to happen was. Like many small businesses, I suspect the guy who was the boss was actually quite talented and quite hardworking, but he'd overextended himself, he'd overreached himself, and he was employing people who frankly weren't doing a very good job at all. So I kept saying to him, listen, you're good, but these guys are not good. I don't want them working in my property because they're not doing a good job, they're wasting time. And I had a couple of people brought in from Britain. Well, one Joe came in from Britain, and then my son was working here as well, so they were getting really slowed down as well. So I'm ending up kind of paying wages for my UK folks who are not now delivering because of the not very good tradesmen from Spain. But the funniest thing in the world was one of the guys had his lunch fine. He'd brought a little cooking stove and he cooked his lunch in the flat. I don't mind that. And then he climbed into my bed and had a siesta. Literally climbed into my bed and had a siesta. And I come back from wherever I was in Barcelona, and I was just like, you know, clapping my hands going, get out my bed. Start working. Get out my bed. Up. I was like, up, out my bed. Come on, and start work. So it's been an adventure in Spain. So if you have really benefited and enjoyed from our content, support our channel, click the like button now. Thanks ever so much.